Just rolled in through this section right here. Look, there's Batu back there. And I'm in aisle 4, Mickey. I'm going to be poking around the Disneyland Hotel area. I'm not going to be going into Disneyland. Do not have a reservation. And I don't think I'm going to downtown Disney either. So yeah, let's go poke around the Disneyland Hotel area and see what's new over that way. Almost there, man. Let's go into the Disneyland Hotel area. Let's take a peek at the DVC tower construction, see if they got anything going on today. And there's actually a rendering on one of the walls I noticed a few days ago, so I'm gonna get that on camera now. Let's go into the front. They got the Haunted Mansion deal going on inside here, so yeah, let's go check that out. There's Minnie and Mickey. They're here to meet and greet. And check this out. Welcome to the Disneyland Hotel. Check out these sweet posters over here inside the Disneyland Hotel, over by the restrooms. This is pretty cool. Super old school right here. Schematic aerial view, approximately 45 acres. Let's head upstairs and let's go see if we can get out to the terrace part to overlook the DVC tower. I don't think you can, but you never know. We got something going on up here. Let's go see what's going on. Alright, straight down is still blocked off, so we're going to be out on that terrace in a bit. Looks like somebody's getting married up here. I'm sure Goofy's Kitchen will be open later. They're not open right now. Let's go see what it looks like.
That's right. Pick up your napkins, twirl them over your heads, because here comes the toast of the town, the king of cuisine, Chef Goofy.
Just testing the music inside there. It's not actually open yet. Till later. Let's go look at the rendering of the DVC tower, and then we'll come back around this corner right here. I hear construction going on right now, so we'll be back coming in this way. You come over here by the Frontier Tower, and here's coonskin cap Mickey. And the jackhammer on the other side of that fence is seriously bouncing off the building right now. And here's going to be the rendering of what the DVC tower is going to be looking like. And we're going to be peeking over the fence. We're going to get up high, we're going to peek over, and we're going to see what's going on down there. Okay, if you're over here by the pool, and here's Goofy's Kitchen up high here. Come to this area where you see the scrim. It says area closed, project team members only. Make this curve, head up the staircase, and we'll be able to see what's going on once we make the left. Okay, here we go. Piece of construction deal right there. Dude's jackhammering over there big time. Big mound of dirt, wasn't there the last time. Putting in a bunch of piping. Let's go see what's in this big green pit area. Looks like just more piping. Check it out, they left a wall up right there so they can call this a remodel. Isn't that how they do it in the construction field? Leave one wall up and call this a remodel? Wonder what all that is actually over there, because it goes from there and then it works its way all down around. I'm sure it's going to be buried or something at some point. I wonder what that's actually for. And then, like I say, they're putting it underground right here. And then it actually keeps on going this way. So there's the latest update so far on progress of the DVC tower. Let's go poke around Disneyland Hotel. Let's go over to the Paradise Pier Hotel to go see if they actually have food there. Because the last time I was there, it was all by mobile order from downtown Disney. All right, back down we go. Hello. All right. Let's go take a peek here in the Adventure Tower. And we got Adventureland going on right here. And check this stuff out. Stuff from the Jungle Cruise. Check these ones out. Lady just did some mopping. Smells nice and fresh in here. Some sweet art on the wall. Here we got Walt inside the tiki room. Pretty rad. Alright, let's take a peek at Paradise Pier Hotel next. Alright, going by Trader Sam's. Gonna be heading a whole different way to get over to the Paradise Pier Hotel. There's a lot of people on the other side of that fence. That's where you actually go in and go out to get into downtown Disney. So I'm in the fence area. They can't come in this way, but if you're cruising on this side, you could actually exit out. So I'm not going to exit out. There's a fence or a gate straight ahead right there. That's not the one I'm going to hit up. I'm going to hit the one up on the very end down here. Super windy out here. Fairy Tale Wedding. I know I saw that inside. People were in a banquet room inside. We saw that earlier. And must have had a bunch of festivities going on out here too. And this is the area too that there's speakers up here, lighting, more speakers. It's playing music now. So when the fireworks blow off at night, it's in sync with what's going on inside Disneyland. And this area is actually all new. Actually, it's been all remodeled. Okay, here's the gate we're going to be exiting out. But once you exit out this, unless you have a room here, you're not going to be able to get back in, so you have to go a whole different way. So here we go. And we're going to head over there to the Paradise Pier Hotel. Alright, let's go inside and see if the restaurants are open, or if it's still, you have to order from stuff from downtown Disney and possibly have it delivered over here. Alright, all this window display is new. Let's see what's going on in the main courtyard. Alright, let's see what's going on around the corner here. Okay, this is back. Remember seeing that like 2 years ago. Alright, Surfside Lounge. PCH Grill is still not open. That means upstairs on the roof is not going to be open either, but we're going to go check it out. Mickey in Paradise, man. Let's go take a peek at this gift shop, because if you're at the Symbolot and you want to not get into a crowd to buy some Disney merch, this is the place to be. You come out of the Symbolot, you're walking towards the way to get to downtown Disney, but make a right to the Paradise Pier Hotel and just come on in, because there is legitly next to nobody in this gift shop, and they have a ton of merch. And they have pins galore. Now, if you head over to World of Disney, they have a wall. There's even more pins on that rack on that side. And these are all just jam-packed full of pins. And like I say, there's nobody over here. Alright, let's just poke around and see what they have over here. That stuff should be on clearance by now. 2021 merch. New luggage. Pretty big sized. They got medication over here if you need aspirin or you need Tylenol and stuff. You get your t-shirts over here. Spirit jerseys. All fully stocked over here. I know World of Disney has a ton more, but some pretty cool stuff over here. And quick and convenient. Tons of hats. Like I said, they got a little bit of everything. This is for like upstairs on the roof, because they do have a swimming pool on the roof next to the sandbar, which we'll be heading up there. I know the sandbar shouldn't be open because the restaurant straight ahead out there is not open. Even got ears. Not the biggest selection of ears, but they do have ears on this side too. Candies, water, snacks, popcorn, wine. Even got wine. What do we got in here? You can get your ice cream.
No. There's any there.
Sweets galore.
It's surprise.
Like here's all the other stuff for if you're staying here and you just need baggies or deodorant or medications. They have it here too. Alright, let's go up to the sandbar. Going up. 1, 2, and 3. This elevator's actually on the outside. Alright, here's the pool. And the sandbar's gonna be here to the right, and you can come up here once the fireworks blow off. Let's go take a peek. Like I say, it's not actually open yet. They haven't really opened up any restaurants in this particular hotel yet. So we just came from over that way, shot over, and then we shot over here to the Paradise Pier Hotel. It is a nice, cool, breezy day. And the fireworks, like I say, they shoot off straight off that way. You can legitimately chill out right here in those cushiony seats for free. Just come up on level 3 from the elevator. So if you happen to park into the symbol lot, which is actually straight ahead, and you want to come over here, and you're coming from either the symbol lot, you make a right, and then you come on down here and just come in on floor number 3 off the elevator. And if you go to downtown Disney, which is going to be straight that way, come on down and work your way over this way to the sidewalks and come on down. And if you're here towards the fireworks time, it's well worth it, because there's next to nobody up here at night. Also, when this is actually open, when those gates are open, there's actually a bartender in there, and you got a bar, and you can actually sit and order food if you need to. Just make sure when you order your food, you order every little side thing, extras that you need, because it all comes from downstairs. And if they miss something, you might as well forget it, because it takes too long for them to go down there, get what you need, and they'll probably get stopped by other people. So just be aware of that when you're eating up here. Looks like the pool and spa hours are 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The slide hours are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And there's always a lifeguard on duty. Alright, we're going to be in this one. Going down. Here we go. I hear it.
Going down.
Going down. Okay, here it is right here too. Mobile order your snacks or your meals from downtown Disney District. There's a QR code. That's where I came from just right now. I was on top of that roof right there. Now I'm on ground level and the Simba lot is straight that way. So let's get back over to the Disneyland Hotel area because this battery is actually getting low and I didn't bring any extras. All right, here's the gate I exit from, but here's what it says. Disneyland Resort Hotel key required for entry, and there's a camera on it. So now we gotta go this way to get back over to the Disneyland Hotel. Remember the days of the temp checks? The 6-foot markers, this is the area right here. Get your temp check about right here. Go straight ahead and go and get dog sniffed, and then head into security. Now it's just mainly going through security. Let's head in under the Sorcerer's Cap through the new blue gates with the monorails on them. Man, it is windy. All right, let's head into the Fantasia gift shop. This is another one of those. If you are coming off the Simba lot and you want to come over here to the Disneyland Hotel, you could actually do some shopping. And there's next to nobody in here. Even got Wonderground gallery art in here. Disneyland Hotel shirts, robes. Happy 65th anniversary to the hotel. Fully stocked pins over here too. Racks and racks of pins. More pins over here too. More 2021 merch. I'll buy one once it's clearanced out. Always like that one right there because that's the era of when I used to come into Disneyland back in the day. Get your best day ever shirt. Socks. Stuff for the kiddos. Check this one out. One day at Disneyland, meet the people who make the magic across the globe. I don't remember seeing that before. This is pretty much a new t-shirt. Giggling Mickey. Digging the retro right there. 80s style retro. Oh, there it is. Giggling Mickey. More stuff for the little kiddos. Right here at the Fantasia gift shop at the Disneyland Hotel. Alright, let's go exit a whole different way where we're going to be ending up over by the Disneyland Hotel sign. Through the gates, over by the guard shack, which is going to be straight ahead. I don't remember seeing that the last time. This right here? Is that new? Because I don't remember seeing that. Here's that area where I went down and it ended up to nothing, but it looks like they painted it since I was here last. Yeah, not going down there today, but looks like they painted it since the last time I was here, because that was the most un-Disney-like, dirty, unpainted, unswept place I've ever seen here at So if you exit this way to go head towards the parking structure and the Disneyland Hotel sign, you won't be able to get back in this particular area once you leave this gate. Once you get down here to the end, to the left is going to be the Disneyland Hotel sign, and then you can make a right and you can walk up the staircase to get up to the pedestrian overcrossing to get back in the parking structures. If you like that video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. Poking around the Disneyland Hotel and the Paradise Pier Hotel, checking everything out. There it is. The famous Disneyland Hotel sign. Now, to get to the pedestrian overcrossing, it is exactly straight ahead. Go up the staircase, and you'll be right there on the pedestrian overcrossing. Go straight into the parking structure. And I legitly have next to no battery left on this camera. There she is. Be heading across there in a sec. Just gotta go up the staircase. One more thing before I bail out. So if you're over here in a parking structure, head up to the roof, go up the staircase, go up to the farthest corner you can be, take a peek straight out that way, and you'll legitimately watch the fireworks blow off from the back lot. And I'm peeking over here, over by this white tent. So what is that vehicle right there? That is unique looking. And those little kiosks were the ones that were in downtown Disney. They got moved from the Disneyland Hotel area because they were storing them over there. But what is that vehicle over there?